In this video, I want to talk about how you can lock YouTube on a Samsung TV. The way that you can do this is you want to go onto the Samsung settings. So let me quickly show you how to do that. What you want to do is you want to go to the apps inside of the smart TV. Once you selected apps, you want to open up the settings button. And once you're going there, you want to select the YouTube app. Inside of the YouTube app, you should be able to select a lock. So once you click on the lock option, it's gonna lock the YouTube, so you cannot use it unless you type in a PIN code. So you should type in the PIN code. The default one is 0000, but if you change it at some point, you need to use that one. After that, just confirm it, and now the next time someone tries to open YouTube, they need to type in the PIN code. So that is the easiest way that you can do this, guys, with a Samsung Smart TV. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.